Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the fuel tank on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. We recommend performing this procedure with no fuel in the tank. Use a large flathead screwdriver to help pry the grommet free of the tank to release the fuel system assembly. Unthread the fuel tank cap and pull the retainer free of the tank. Now set the leaf blower on its side and use a T27 Torx bit to unthread the 4 screws, securing the fuel tank retainer. Detach the retainer and you can remove the old fuel tank. Install the new fuel tank by first aligning the retainer, then position the retainer on the frame. Confirm the washers are in place on the screws, then thread the 4 screws to secure the retainer. Insert the fuel cap retainer into the new tank, then thread on the cap. Insert the fuel filter into the tank, then push the grommet into place. Fill the new tank with fuel, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.